Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Asif and today I will let you know how to change the password of your Google account. I mean Gmail account. So I will let you know very soon, just within 2 to 3 minutes. So please be patient and be with me. First of all, I would like to request you, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon in order to get the latest notifications of the latest updates. What we have to do, let me tell you from the very beginning. We have to open a new tab, and if you are not logged into your browser, you will see a sign in option here, but I'm already logged in here. What I will do is to click on Gmail here, or I will click here and then click on Gmail. It will take a short while, and yeah, it is open now. Once it is opened, what we have to do is to move our cursor here to settings, and after that we have to click on see all settings. It will take a short while. Yeah, you can see that a new window has been appeared. In this case, what we have to do is to click on accounts and import, and then click on change password. A new tab will be opened, and it will take a very short while. First of all, it asks me to verify myself. It means it is asking me for my old password. I will just paste it here, which I have already copied. Yeah, and now it is asking me for a new password. In this case, please try to choose a very strong password. What we have to do is to use an alphanumeric password. I mean, we must have alphabets and numbers. And beside this, what we have to do to use is the @ sign, and we can also use dash or underscore. Let me choose my new password. We have to confirm the password. In this case, what we have to do is to retype the password. Let me click on change password. You can see that your password has been changed. What we have to do is we can save the password here in our browser, or we can click on get started. And it's all that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends.